In this video, I'm going to share what I have found to be the very best side hustle to make easy money. If you're at the point where you need to bring in extra money and want to do it the easy way, this is the side hustle I suggest. I do it myself. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I haven't worked a real full-time job in 20 years now. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And just in case you're new to the term side hustle, it's just something you do to bring in extra money. Today, there are all kinds of side hustles available. In recent years, side hustles have become increasingly popular. Face it, almost everything costs more today. The other day, I saw the figure that more than 45% of Americans side hustle. That's right, almost half the country is looking for additional income. But the challenge is that since there are so many side hustles, it can be tough to find the one that's right for you. In too many side hustles, you end up just trading your time for money. It's almost like having another job. You do not leverage your time. The only way you can make more money is to work more hours. Do you really want to do that? Well, side hustles like that come to mind include things like delivering food and groceries. DoorDash, Instacart, and Grubhub are the common names. Or maybe ride sharing like Uber and Lyft. And do you really want strangers in your car? As crazy as things are today, and with gas at all-time high prices, those side hustles are even tougher yet. Well, I found an easy side hustle. It's one where you can make as much money as you want in just a few hours per week. It's all online and automated, so you can do it from anywhere you want to be at whatever time is best for you. All you need is a computer or smartphone. I even do it while I'm sailing in the summer or skiing in the winter while everyone else is busy at their job trying to make ends meet. As for the money, you can get paid every week, and it pays you long-term recurring income too. Imagine getting paid month after month for what you do today. That's what I like best. There isn't much of a learning curve. Almost anyone can do it, no matter what your previous background. It's that simple. I'll give you the exact same online marketing system I use for free. Our team will provide you with excellent training and support. You'll also get my one-on-one personal mentoring too. Nothing will be left to chance. And in case you're wondering, there is no big investment. This is not one of those things where you have to buy a bunch of stuff every month. To learn more, check out our brief online tour at easymoneypath.com or click the link in the description. Go ahead and do it now and reach out to me with any questions. We'll talk soon.